This video you are watching right now was made by this tool I'm going to share with you. I just turned one sentence into a fully edited, YouTube-ready video. No filming, no editing, no sitting in front of a timeline for hours. Stick with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to take one prompt all the way to a finished, upload-ready video and show you every single step. This is Vyber. Let me walk you through exactly how it works, start to finish. This is where it starts. Vyber takes a single idea and turns it into a complete video. It writes the script, generates an AI narrator, builds the animations, the B-roll, the music, and the captions. You bring the idea, it does the production. So let's give it one. I open the chat and just describe what I want. Make a 3-minute tutorial on how to create YouTube thumbnails with Nano Banana Pro on Fal.ai. Explain the prompt and show a real example. That's it. Plain English. Hit send. Now Vyber interviews you. A quick guided brief. Am I including a screen recording? Yes. Who's it for? Content creators. What style? A tutorial. What's their skill level? Intermediate. It's building a real understanding of the video before it writes a word. Then the rest of the brief. 3 minutes long, 16:9 for YouTube, an energetic tone, an avatar plus voice narration. My screen recording sits inside a branded mock-up frame with a circular picture-in-picture of the narrator. Soft ambient music. Smooth green leak transitions between scenes. Clean cinema-style captions. My own brand colors, and the call to action at the end. Subscribe. 14 quick questions, and the brief is done. Here's the part most tools can't do. I drop in my screen recording, and Vyber analyzes it frame by frame, with timestamps, so the narration it writes actually matches what's happening on screen, moment to moment. While that processes, I pick my narrator. There are hundreds of AI avatars in here. You can search them, preview them, or create your own custom avatar. I choose one that fits the vibe of the channel. Then a voice. Pick from the library or clone your own so every video sounds like you. Avatar plus voice. That's my narrator locked in. A few seconds later, the script is written and the avatar video is generated. A full narrator done. Now the brand tab. I set my palette once. Primary, secondary, accent, and Vyber injects those colors into every animation, every caption, every B-roll. Set it once, and every video is on brand. And this is where it all comes together, the full plan. Vyber lays the entire video out for me, segment by segment, on a timeline. Here's an avatar shot. Here's my screen recording, trimmed to the exact section it needs. Here's a custom animation it designed just for this moment. And look at the detail. Every segment has its own narrator line, its own visual direction, even multi-phase animation notes describing exactly how each scene moves. Nothing's a black box. If I want to change a line, or retime a clip, or swap a scene, I just click edit and tweak it. I'm the director. Vyber did the heavy lifting. Before I commit, it shows me exactly what I'm spending. Plan, narration, animations, playback, music, all itemized, no surprises. Credits are only charged when I actually render. Everything looks right, so I hit approve and render. One click, and Vyber assembles the whole thing, narrator, screen recording, animations, music, and captions into a single, ready-to-upload MP4. And here's what comes out, a finished, polished video from one prompt.
60 seconds. This is Nano Banana Pro on Fal.ai, and I'm building a scroll-stopping, I was wrong thumbnail from scratch, prompt and all. Start on the Fal dashboard. Hit that search bar top right, or just tap the shortcut and type Nano Banana. You'll see a bunch of variants pop up. Light, edit, the base model. Skip those. Keep typing until you get to Nano Banana Pro. That's the one we want, the state-of-the-art image model from Google, and we're using the edit version so we can drop in a reference photo. Click into it and you land on the playground. There's a prompt box on the left and a result panel on the right. Forget whatever placeholder prompt is sitting there, we're writing our own. Here's the exact prompt. Photorealistic YouTube thumbnail, 16 to...
That's a complete YouTube video, script, narrator, edit, and all, from a single sentence. If that's the workflow you've been waiting for, subscribe and start creating with Vyber today.